Why is SEO important? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. Have you ever wondered how search engines like Google determine which websites to show on their top search pages? It's not random. It's because of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO refers to the process of optimizing your website's pages and content to make them more relevant and attractive to search engines. The goal is to increase your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic to it. By optimizing your website for SEO, you are essentially improving its search engine ranking. The higher your website ranks, the more visibility it has, and the more likely people are to click through and visit your site. Keyword research and analysis are the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. By understanding the search terms your audience uses, you can optimize your website's content for those keywords and drive more relevant traffic to your website. Did you know that the majority of searches occur on mobile devices? That's why Google considers mobile responsiveness a crucial factor when ranking websites. Making sure your website is mobile-friendly can significantly impact your SEO ranking. Website speed is another critical factor in SEO ranking. Slow-loading websites have poor user experience, and Google recognizes that. Make sure your website's loading speed is optimized to give your visitors a smooth and enjoyable experience. Backlinks are links to your website from other websites. Google considers them as votes of trust for your website's quality and relevance. The more high-quality backlinks your website has, the higher it will rank in the search results. Content is king. Your website's content should be unique, valuable, and relevant. Regularly publishing fresh and high-quality content helps you establish your brand as a thought leader and increase your website's SEO ranking. Did you know that social media shares impact your SEO ranking? Sharing your website's content on social media platforms can generate backlinks, drive traffic, and increase your website's visibility. It's crucial to continuously monitor and analyze your website's SEO performance. Tools such as Google Analytics and Search Console can help you track your website's ranking, traffic, and other metrics, giving you insights to improve your SEO strategy. In conclusion, SEO is crucial for your website's success. By optimizing your website for search engines, you're making it more visible, driving more traffic, and establishing your brand as a thought leader. So, if you haven't already, it's time to start optimizing your website for SEO today. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.